In order to perform a test, you will need the following: 9cm aluminum dishes, 9cm round sample pads, and a pipette. Open the cover, grab one of your sample pads and place them on the scale. Place the sample pan on top, followed by another sample pad. Close the cover to automatically tare. Open the cover to apply 2 to 3 grams of your sample. Then grab the sample pad under the dish and place on top of the other sample pad like a sandwich to ensure as much sample product gets absorbed. Close the cover and the drying process will begin. An orange light will light up on the cover handle. Once the drying is completed, the unit will beep and the light will turn green. Dispose of your sample and you're ready to begin another test.